outdoor gas heater, available at Outdoor Oasis LLC. Buy now. To turn on, connect propane tank with hose. Make sure propane tank is turned on. Turn dial to high, hold in dial and press ignition button. Then turn to desired setting.